What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig. As usual, we're going to go over the charts real quick. The traditional markets weren't open today, so I wasn't trying to get an early morning video out. I tweeted that and I sent it out in my Discord that I would get one later this evening. I was out working on the property today. As you can see, still in my work clothes. Anyways, we're going to get into, I'm just going to do a short review of what's going on, what I think's going on, why I don't believe the bottom's in, and certain little something about a certain little YouTuber, just a little guy, little moon dude. I'm going to give you some videos to watch at the end of this video. So make sure you stick around for that. We're going to zip through and take a look at what's going on. So looking at the DXY, as you guys can see, we did drop past this support line, but where we're at here, I mean, people like to look at they like to zoom in like this and make it look like it's horrible. That's a correction. The DXY will bounce and will bounce hard, in my opinion, very, very soon. If it hasn't already bottomed here, maybe a little bit lower, but very soon we're going to get a big rally in the DXY. I'm going to show you in the weekly. I put the fibs on here. Don't know why it's not loading. There we go. So I put the fibs on here, as you guys can see. I went from this low here, because this could be just a wave 1, 2, and then this a big 3 as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 3 wave. And then this being 4, this may drag out for some time, but as you guys can see right here, this does look like we are getting a nice bounce at the 0.5 fib, right? Right, we are above it. Now, if we drop below this, the 0.618 fib is all the way down to 99, right around 99 points, right? 98.9, 99, which also lines up with the 200 EMA. So if we do get one more dump in Bitcoin, we'll probably get us down to here for the DXY and then rally off of that. But if we do hold support on this 0.5 fib right here, we could just continue up from here on the DXY and crash Bitcoin. But remember, traditional markets control what Bitcoin does. I don't care what anybody says. We've talked about this over and over. If you watch people that just watch the Bitcoin chart, you're not getting the whole story, because Bitcoin is a risky asset, period. If traditional markets aren't doing well, Bitcoin won't either. So traditional markets are just like Bitcoin in a way. I mean, as in, you know, the big boys, they make little false rallies to get people in to take their money over and over, especially in a bear market like we're in right now. And I think the traditional bear market hasn't even really begun yet. As you guys know, I think we are amongst the biggest money grab in history in all markets. I've been talking about this for a long time. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed these videos, make sure you smash that thumbs up, leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel if you want daily updates. Tomorrow's morning's update will be in more detail. Obviously, traditional markets will be open. We'll have some more stuff to talk about, but I just wanted to get this out there real quick. As you guys know, my big picture on the DXY is super bullish. It has been. I drew this over 2 years ago. This huge wedge here that we broke out of, I do believe it's going to be something like back here in the 80s, right? When you look at this zoomed out in the weekly, this is nothing but a correction, right? We had plenty of those back over here. Just something to look at, guys. Anyways, here is the 4-hour chart, or the daily chart. I'm sorry, on Bitcoin. I didn't have the 4-hour pulled up. I don't know why, but nevertheless, all we need is this right now. So if you look at this trend line I have at the bottom on these 2 wicks, right? I clone this one, put it up at the top of this wick. If we do get a rally, 22.9 is probably about as high as we'll go. If we were to go up quicker, 23,000. If we get above that and get support, then we can start looking for, you know, these higher ranges. But as you guys know, on the weekly, I gave you guys my point. 26,000 is the invalidation point. I know a lot of people are saying, you said it would never go above 20,000. I never said it would never go above 20,000. I said it's a good possibility that it doesn't get back above 20,000 till 2025. I still believe that's possible if we get back below it here, which I do believe we will, because I do believe we still have yet at least one more lower low if this was the false bottom. But I still don't even think this is the false bottom. I think that's in February or March. We've went over this for over a year. And the other thing, if you guys follow the channel and you got out up here last year when I was telling people that, you know, this was looking like the Amazon compared to Bitcoin bubble pop pattern, right? If you got out, if you think we're going to go up from here, buy right now. You done a whole lot better than those following the moon boys like Carl the Moon, Crypto, Martini guy, all them guys that were telling you buy the dip all the way up here. They were longing. They were telling you they went all in every other. If they went all in like they said they did, how the hell did they go all in 47 times on the way down, right? Anyways, if you look at the big picture, everybody's getting super bullish, just like we said would happen in every little pump. Everyone gets super bullish. This right here feels like the 48,000 pump right here, like literally feels the same. Also, if we look here, right, we take this high right here to this high here. It's actually a lower high in the price action. Higher high in the RSI, hidden bearish divergence. Hidden divergence is a continuation of the trend. The trend is down, my friends. I think we got way further to go. And man, I can't wait to laugh at Carl the Moon. He put out a video saying some crap. But like I said, watch the end of this video. I'm going to show you some videos to look at. I'm going to show you some channels that really don't get a lot of views that should get more. And hopefully I'll be able to help them get the views with this video. So make sure you stick around. If you guys are interested in trading, definitely check out Prime XBT, by far my favorite exchange. They don't trade against you, and you can join these contests totally for free. And if you win, you actually win tradable funds like this one here. I started it a minute ago just so I could show you guys. You get in, if you go in to join it, they give you I think it's 6,000 to start with. Of course, it's not real money. You need a VPN to get on here, but if you're not trading real money, it doesn't matter anyway. I do have a VPN down below that has got a huge discount if you use my link. But anyways, get on here and you can trade this for free. It doesn't cost you anything to join the contest. And if you win, it's I think $1,000. Then you take that 1,000 and you trade that, and you get to keep anything you win off of that. Great way to help to learn the exchange. Zero risk involved. Even if you are a good trader, good way to get some extra funds to just play around with. You can trade on this whole exchange. You could trade Forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, everything, all from one exchange. You can have multiple trades in, longs and short. They don't clump them all together like the scammy exchanges, so you can hedge your own trades, right? So this is the monthly, as we were talking about. We'll see where this monthly trend line gets us. We did close above it once before just for a fake out. That was, where was it? Right here, the last time we hit the 21 EMA. Right now, our 8 EMA on the monthly is about 22.3, 22, yeah, 22.2, 22.3 range. I do expect that to be major resistance if we do get up there. As you guys know, nothing's really changed here. Yeah, people talk about this pump here being huge, right? Look at it. Really, it's not. I mean, these pumps over here were a lot bigger. Yeah, still think February or March, we hit these lower lows down here. Again, if this was the false bottom, which I highly doubt, we still get one more low either way, right? We did break that weekly RSI trend line, and I said that everyone would get super bullish when that broke, and I thought that would be the false bottom, which is possible, could be the false bottom. I'm not saying it's not, but I'm still saying there's still a lower low coming. But this just looks really short for a bubble pop. I think we got a lot further to go. But anyways, regardless, here is the invalidation point. Always has been, has not changed. The price will change because the EMA moves, right, as it keeps going. But right now, about 25.8, 25.9. If we get above there, then this chart is invalidated, right? Until then, totally valid. Nothing's changed. Let me repeat myself. Nothing has changed. Let's take a look at, these were our tops, right? They all happened the same month. The bottoms happened in the same months. Everything's still playing out beautifully, guys. Just beautifully, right? Like I said, if it was the false bottom, which is possible because we did break that, but either way, a new low is coming, guys. And Amazon compared to Bitcoin right here. Like I said, none of these are exact, right? It doesn't line up exact in any of these pumps or dumps, but it's all about the formation, and the formation is there. It is a bubble pop pattern. Most likely lower lows are on their way, guys. As you guys know, 10-year plan, this is what a macro bottom looks like. I have it circled here. It doesn't look like this and then shoot straight up. This is a macro chart, guys. We need a macro bottom to confirm a bottom. It's going to take time. We'll see if it does play out like this, as long as we don't cross the 55 EMA before we hit lower lows. Still think this is a good chance that it could be 10 years till we see a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Now, what you guys been waiting for? Don't forget, smash those thumbs up, leave your comments down below, share the video, get it out there. Here is what I want you to do. Go into your YouTube search and put in Carl the Moon Scammer. I was going to make a video on it, but no need to. A lot of people have, and a lot of these are really good videos. I don't know why they don't get more views. Let's help get them views. Watch them and share them. This one here is by Crypto Thomas Media, Carl the Moon, Crypto Billionaire or Billionaire Scammer. Carl exposed. Some of these aren't the greatest, but they still get out some good points, right? Some of them are really, really good. CryptoTube, Moon Carl exposed, selling my Bitcoin today. This dude's always saying some BS. Exposing BitBoy and Carl Moon in 4 minutes. That's Crypto Morons. He's made quite a few on them. Mayfair Method, blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah, this one's pretty good. Moon Carl Bitcoin in his own worlds. Mayfair Method is the channel. He can't even keep his own story straight. That's a pretty good one. Chronologically of, or I can't even pronounce the word. Chronology of Moon Carl tweet. Mayfair Method, professional trading. Successful business. Carl run for his straight up lying about being a billionaire. The math proves it. Moon Carl. You see what I'm getting at. Check it out. Just type in your Google search, Carl the Moon Scammer. Share those videos, guys. Take it easy. I'm out of here. Have a great day. I will see you guys in the morning. I'm out. Take it easy.